Have you ever wondered about the different sectors in the business world? The North American Industry Classification System, NAICS, is a standard used by statistical agencies in Canada, Mexico, and the United States to classify business establishments for the purpose of collecting, analyzing, and publishing statistical data related to the economy. Well, today, we delve into the world of industries and sectors, breaking them down based on type, size, and service. First off, industries can be broadly classified into three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. The primary industries deal with the extraction and harvesting of natural resources. Think agriculture, mining, forestry, and fishing. These industries form the bedrock of our economy, providing us with raw materials that fuel other sectors. Next, we have secondary industries, which transform these raw materials into products. Manufacturing, construction, and processing industries fall under this category. They are the engines of economic growth, driving forward with innovation and progress. Lastly, the tertiary industries offer services rather than goods. This sector includes industries like banking, hospitality, education, and healthcare. Now let's talk about size. Industries can be categorized as small, medium, or large based on the number of employees and annual revenue. Small industries often comprise businesses offering specialized services. Medium industries, on the other hand, have a wider reach and offer a broader range of services. Industries are also classified based on the services they offer. Some are consumer-focused, providing goods and services directly to individuals. Others are business-focused, offering products and services to other businesses. To summarize, the business world is a vast tapestry of industries and sectors, each differentiated by type, size, and service. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to carve your own path, or simply someone curious about the inner workings of our economy, this knowledge can be invaluable. They are the cogs in the machine that is our global economy, each contributing in their own unique way. And who knows, perhaps this journey through the industries has inspired some of you to become a part of this incredible machine. After all, the business world is always in need of innovative thinkers and doers.